皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
First Lady decorates White House lawn with giant Valentines. February 14th, 2022, 3:33 p.m. VOA News. First Lady Jill Biden talks with Eton Elementary School students and staff as she welcomes school children to the White House, February 14th, 2022, to celebrate Valentine's Day. U.S. First Lady Jill Biden on Monday observed Valentine's Day at the White House with displays of giant hearts on the North Lawn and Valentines from local elementary school children inside the mansion. The displays include a giant red heart inscribed with a Bible passage, 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13, which says, "Three things will last forever: faith, hope and love, and the greatest of these is love." Additionally, hand-painted, wooden artwork in the shapes of the first family's puppy, Commander, and cat, Willow, adorned either side of the giant heart bearing the Bible verse. The displays are positioned so they will be seen in the background when White House television correspondents report on the day's news. Additionally, Valentines created by second-grade classes from a local Washington elementary school are on display in the East Wing of the White House. The children who created them are students of Alejandro Diaz Granados, a teacher at Eton Elementary School, and Washington's 2021 Teacher of the Year. On Monday, the students, accompanied by their teacher, toured the White House. Last year, just 2 weeks after President Joe Biden's inauguration, and in the grips of the COVID-19 pandemic, the First Lady had large red hearts placed on the North Lawn bearing messages such as compassion, courage, healing and kindness. Valentine's Day, annually observed February 14th, has always been special to Jill Biden. Her tradition of decorating goes back to Joe Biden's days as vice president under President Barack Obama, when she decorated every window in her husband's office. Some information in this report came from the Associated Press and Reuters.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。